The Clarke CON185B and CON185BSITE are high-quality circular saws offered at a fantastic price. Designed for trade use, the CON185B has a powerful 1600-watt 230-volt motor, and the CON185BSITE has a 110-volt motor, as often required for site use. These saws feature an adjustable rip fence with a measuring scale, plus a laser guide, making them perfect for precise and accurate wood cutting. The supplied 185mm TCT blade tilts to 45 degrees for precise bevel cutting, and a depth adjustment controls the blade depth. The maximum depth of cut at 90 degrees is 60mm and 40mm at 45 degrees. Featuring ergonomic soft grip handles to aid operator comfort and safety, these saws also benefit from a 30mm dust port to help keep the work area clean. A simple-to-use spindle lock enables fuss-free blade changing, and a safety button on the handle helps to prevent accidental triggering of the saw. If you're in need of a robust and powerful circular saw at an excellent price, then whether you need 230-volt or 110-volt operation, the CON185B or CON185BSITE will be the saw that you've been looking for.